So guys, we're going to grocery now, and this is my big bag. So I'm gonna put Lucas inside of this bag. And this is my attire. So naka-pajama lang tayo guys. I don't care. So wala namang care yung mga tao dito. So diba? And yan yung ating mukha today. So let's go!
What?
Next. So yan, pupunta yung mother niya guys sa papa niya kasi meron silang ginawang exhibition today. So yung driver is there already. Hi boss. Kamusta ka boss? Yeah. It's so hot guys. Even the sun is not so shining. Ano ba tawag basta wala masyado. Meron palang sun guys. Ayan. Mag seatbelt muna tayo kasi. So I don't have lipstick. As you can see, pure talaga yan, Zai. Wala tayong Zai. Wala tayong lipstick. I don't really like lipstick today. I don't know why. So that's Mansa dong? Lipstick dong? You want lipstick dong? Oh, you don't want pala. So guys, we're going now and yeah. Choose! Bye-bye! So guys, finally we are arrived. Tapos dira ami guys. Oh, dira ami mag-grocery. Tapos dati dira ako ang school. Tas church pa na siya guys. Dira pod ko naga-church. Duwami ni Lucas. And that one is where we gonna do the... So, andito na pala kami sa loob ng groceryhan guys. Ito yung mga benta nila dito. Syempre, first talaga is yung mga fruits at saka vegetables. Tapos yung mga bread. Kasi guys, bread is life dito nga sa Germany. So, i-voice over lang pala natin to guys. Kasi medyo nahihiya ako dito sa loob ng grocery na mag-ingay-ingay Zai, na magsalita ng magsalita. Tapos, ayan. Ito yung parang kinuha pala namin guys. Mga bread, una, tapos milk, syempre. So, syempre guys, hindi talaga mawawala yung chocolate ni Lucas. Ayan. Pero may mga binili kami mga importante dyan. And tulad ng mga tissue kasi yan guys, needed. So, ito na pala guys, nagpila na kami sa cashier area. So, dito, I always said na wala talagang bagger dito. So, kami talaga magmano-mano maging bagger dito guys. So, ayan. So, cashier lang meron nila dito guys. And then, kailangan mo din mag-bring your own lalagyan ng mga grocery mo. So, ganito yung mga nila dito guys. Ayan. So, si Lucas, binilan ako ng suklay. Wala na akong suklay guys. Meron pa naman pero ayan, palagi ko makalimutan itong malaki guys para hindi ko makalimutan. And finally, natapos na pala kaming mag-grocery and bibili kami dito sa grocery guys. Sabi ko sa kanya, videohan mo ako para may remembrance naman. Medyo malakas pala yung hangin dito ngayon guys. Hindi ko alam kung ulan ba or hindi. Pero malakas talaga yung hangin ngayon. Pero okay na yun. Anyway, nakabili na pala kami. Yung binili namin is cake. Ayan, dalawa. Cheesecake and then himberry cake. Hindi ko alam anong na yun. And then, nandito na pala kami sa bahay. Syempre, lahat-lahat guys. Si Lucas magdala. He bring everything and then I'm just like this. Just bringing the cake. Hoy, are you okay?
Yeah, klar.
So guys, ito yung binili namin na cake. Sa kanya is cheesecake. Tapos sa akin is strawberry. Dami siya guys. Delicious. Come here, good mind child. So we're gonna try that. Strawberry cake.
Oh, that's so good. No, that's raspberry cake, not strawberry.
Raspberry cake?
Yeah.
Oh, raspberry cake pala to guys. I'm gonna try his cake. €2. Cheesecake.
Damn.
Delicious guys. Super. It's great.
And this one? Wow.
That's yours now.
You
That's
like
mine.
it?
Yeah. I like it.
Why is that mine then?
Yeah, because I like it more.
Good, yeah.
Where? So guys, let's eat! Sarap siya. So guys, dahil sa tapos na kaming mag-grocery, so magluluto tayo today guys. Yung binili namin, anak ka, nayabo siya. Wala na. So, ito yung binili namin kanina, guys. Sausage siya na merong ham sa taas. So, tingnan nyo, guys. Ito yung lulutuin natin and then nakaluto na si Dudong Lucas ng rice. So, ito yan siya, guys. Ayan. So, ipiprito lang natin dyan, guys. Tapos, ito yung rice na lulutuin. Ito yung rice na niluto ni Dudong Lucas, guys. So, ang dami pero mauubos namin tong dalawa. Ganyan kami strong kumain ng rice. So, mga unta, guys. So, this is what we're gonna eat today, guys. Let's eat!